Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by checking your local display and DPI so the remote session scales correctly. Once done, run MSDSC. EXE and click Show Options. This exposes the Display tab where you set the remote resolution. Set the slider to your target size, choose Use All My Monitors if you want multi-display, and be sure to adjust the remote session size before connecting. This prevents stretching and forces Windows to allocate the right frame buffer. After connecting, you can refine resolution inside the remote Windows 10 desktop. Open Settings, System, Display, and pick the recommended or a custom resolution. If full screen isn't correct, press Ctrl+Alt+Break to toggle modes and force redraw. That often resolves scaling glitches. If you need all monitors, use the Multimin option before connecting or pass the /Multimin switch. This ensures Windows allocates each display correctly and keeps UI elements sharp. When you're satisfied, save the session to an RDP file so the resolution and monitor choices persist. From the General tab, click Save As. Log off fully and reconnect to force the server to reinitialize the display. If things still look blurry, make sure DPI scaling matches between machines, or right-click the RDP executable, go to Compatibility, and disable display scaling on high DPI settings. This troubleshooting step fixes most.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.